Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. We made it to 900 subscribers last night, and we're just a little bit over now at 901 last time I checked. Thank you guys so much. It means so much. We're almost on our way to 1,000, and the channel will be getting so much better once we hit that. Guaranteed. Lots of giveaways, and I will also be shaving my beard, so look forward to that. Anyways, let's get into the video. Yesterday I ended off somewhere in here, so I went ahead and finished that pipe run right there for the last two outside lights for the MC. I don't know if you can see it. The wire is kind of like hanging right there on the wall. It's sort of strapped up the wall already, so someone did that. And then working on this pipe run right here for the other outside lights for the south wall. So started right there and basically went all the way down to the corner, I think right about there, so all the way down there. I think I ran the same amount of pipe as yesterday, like 460 feet or 360 feet. I can't remember how many bundles I had on my lift. I think it was 4, but I'm not sure. Or it was 3.5 at least, so 360 feet or 460 feet. So once again, just running the boxes for the outside lights, for the whips. As you can see, there's some on the wall. One of the whips is right there. No, that's not it. Right there. So it goes up and over. And then another box for the window louver, that little small one in the middle. And that basically wraps up my day. I also used the little forklift, no, not the little forklift, but I used the forklift to move some stuff out of my way because there was I don't know if they moved it again, but there are some of these little concrete things in my way, and then also the plywood that was there is now gone. So I'll try to show you what I've been doing over here real quick. So if you can see the track marks, pretty dark in here, but these are the track marks. Basically pull in, pull out, pull in, pull out, pull in, pull out. So there's all these track marks just so I can extend over the gravel. So that's what I've been doing. All these track marks. So I was pretty much gonna wrap up my day. I don't have much else to say, guys. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking in. If you guys want to help me out, drop a comment with anything you want to say, or if you got a question, I'd love to help you guys answer that. I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. It would help me out if you guys like, and I would definitely appreciate it if you subscribe. Anyways, guys, see you tomorrow. Peace out.